Hi friends, so I have this Play-Doh. This is its selling price 119. It's very dangerous because 0 years, 1 years, 2 years, and 3 years can't use this. Only 4 to 20 can use it. But 21 might, well, anything is 21 years. We will explore and play. So it's warning. Keep away from children under age 3 years. Like this. Now you need to wash hands after playing with dough. Why? Because it will stick on I guess. So let's open. Make a hole in it. Maybe we have this. Now we have done it a pen. Now we'll open into the pack. And then we'll open more and more and more to unbox the set. Look, something's inside it. Orange Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, yellow Play-Doh, and brown Play-Doh. So this have inside the pack. Well, it has. So we have the rolling pin. We have some tools like these. Should we make something with it? Let's go. Rolling pin uses to flatten the clay.
So here are our colors. We have orange, blue,
and also red,
yellow, which is very light color, green, and brown. We have total of 6 colors. So let's start. Which color you want next? Which one?
I wanted green.
Okay, take it out.
So I am opening the set, taking out the color box. So need to wash your hands after playing the dough, not before playing the dough.
Take a bit of it out.
It will get stuck on your hand. So we need to make a great one. So we need to make it round and round.
You can make with it. Let's make this teddy bear first.
Okay.
So we have this teddy bear.
We'll take it on the Play-Doh.
Put it on there. Wait. And roll it.
We are making to roll it up.
And take it out. Yeah. Oh my, it's broken.
Look, it's a star on.
Let's make it again
t-shirt.
because it's broken.
Let's
Make
again.
the clay smooth first.
After playing the dough, you need to wash your hands. I have telling you the warning.
Put
Roll it up.
Roll it again. And take it out.
Wow!
That's better.
That's better.
Yay. Now next.
So we have a little cutie rabbit in the red color. We got
use this knife. Make something from it.
so it's my turn. Now we need to open the Play-Doh. So let's make out of it. So we are making epoxy compound.
We're making
Doing like this. Press with 4 sides. Roll it up. Press a little thin side like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we need to roll with this small rolling pin. Roll, roll, roll. It's making smooth. Now we need to make a square out of it. 4 shaped squares. So we need to cut the shapes to make a square. So we'll make as Play-Doh as a square. So we make the Play-Doh as a square. Now cut it in 4 pieces. Watch out where the hand gets dirty. So I have taken out some pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oops, the floor might get dirty. It's okay. We'll add some 1, 2, 3, and 4 Play-Dohs up. Now we need to make a circle out of it. Roll, roll, roll. Stick it on the top. And it looks like a shortcake, also known as a cheesecake. We'll be sure like this. Now we need to put it again. And we'll make the next one. I made it one, so we'll do it again. Make the Play-Doh again. And we'll make an apple out of it. But how we should make apple without a brown stem? Uh-oh, only use one color at a time. Sorry, friends. So we'll cut it out of it. Roll, roll, roll. And make a rabbity shape out of it. Look, it comes out too. Wow, my super Play-Doh comes out. Now, I'm going to press this up. Cut the rest of it. Now we'll take it out and wow! What a picture I made! Oh, sorry. His eyes still invisible. Let me try again. Now we need to put the Play-Doh again and cut it, and we will use the next one. And then finish. At last, we'll make another one. A brown shaped Play-Doh. So 3 at a time, 3 at the other time. So we open only a little bit and take a little bit too to make a pudding. So we need compound red too to mix it together. Now we have taken 2 reds and a little bit more, and then keep the compound inside. So we have a little bit of red and mix it up. See, nothing can mix inside. Now we are mixing together brown and red, and then now we'll make this. Sure, you need to press 4 times. Make sure you need to press 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we should make a Bugatti of it. No, let me try a plain taco. There. Now it's finished. Now the video is about to finish. Like and subscribe. Bye.